Hey guys, it's day 15 of recording my life in English. Time for a little check-in. At the beginning, I mostly shared old memories, but now I'm trying to show more of daily life. Like yesterday's dishwasher story, I just uploaded a 20 minutes video in a fast forward. But my friends were like, Sarah, that looks so lazy. Okay, maybe I can't escape editing after all. I also noticed something about learning English. I used to memorize every script word for word, but that just locked in my bad pronunciation. So from now on, I will read it naturally and spend more time shadowing and listening to real accent. So my plan is better editing, smarter practice, and less stress. And honestly, big shout out to my dishwasher and robot vacuum. Without them, I'd still be stuck doing chores instead of chasing my dreams. That's all for today. See you. Bye bye.